Alright, so last night some big soccer jersey news got leaked, and it's none other than for Lionel Messi and Inter Miami. Inter Miami next season is reportedly going to be wearing a third kit based off of the Miami Dolphins American football team. So guys, that's some huge news. I'm the Jersey Jaguar, and today I created some concepts on how I think I would like them to look and how they potentially might look. With that said, let's get to those concepts. Alright, so before we get into the kits, I do want to say, guys, I am outside of the studio, so I am filming at a alternate location. Please excuse if there's any sound discrepancies or lighting discrepancies within my video. Again, I am filming outside of where I typically film. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Inter Miami shares the city with a couple different sports teams. We got the Miami Heat, we got the Miami Marlins, and we have the Miami Dolphins. Now, the Miami Dolphins wear a very nice and unique shade of teal currently, and their secondary colors are going to be orange and white. All right, so first off, I'm going to show you the logo that I redesigned for Inter Miami, being that it is based off the Miami Dolphins. It does have more white in it, as you can see, and then the secondary color is going to be teal, followed by orange. I think it's going to really pop on the kit that I'm about to show you. All right, so for the first kit, I really wanted something to look like the current Miami Dolphins uniform. I like the teal, so we're going to go with that one for this kit. Now, guys, on the jersey, it is going to have the white sponsor. I'm going to have just a hair bit of orange on the collar. We're going to have the 3 white stripes going to be white. And then when we turn the jersey around for the customization, we are going to have primarily white name and numbers followed with some orange accents. So now when we look at the kit as a whole, you can see that I do have different colored stripes on the shorts as well as the Miami Dolphins logo. We're going to have the orange numbers. On the socks, we're going to have, again, all teal socks with 3 orange stripes. Guys, I think this is an excellent looking kit, and I think this is probably what they're going to go with based off their home pink kit that they currently wear. Alright, so for kit number 2, I wanted to base it off another one of the Dolphins' current uniforms that they wear. However, it's not the standard white uniform. It's going to be the white throwback uniform that they wear. Just like the Dolphins, it's going to be a all-white jersey, white collar, but we're going to have these awesome throwback stripes on the sleeve. They're going to be orange and teal stripes on the sleeves. Now, I did want to make it slightly different than the Dolphins one, so on Inter Miami's, I added some teal stripes on the shoulders. However, it's single teal stripes because I think if I would have added the same stripe sequence from the sleeves onto the shoulders, it would have been too busy. We're going to have this solid teal front sponsor. Then we're going to have that updated logo that I designed. So when we turn that jersey around, we're going to have teal and orange numbers to really give it a true Miami feel. Now, looking at the kit as a whole, we're going to have white shorts with teal details, minimal orange, and the same thing for the socks. All right, and finally, kit number 3. So kit number 3 is something that the Miami Dolphins don't wear. It's just going to be using their colors. I wanted to do something with my own touch and really give it a true Floridian Miami feel. So guys, we're going to have that Miami Dolphins teal jersey. However, we're going to have a slightly darker shade of teal of palm trees on the kit, guys. Obviously, it gives it a true, unique, and tropical feel. Then we're going to have a single white stripe and a single orange stripe just to break up that busyness. Turn the jersey around, we're going to have those same white and orange name and numbers, and we're going to have also that same updated kit. Now, the uniform as a whole, we're going to have white shorts with teal and orange details and white socks. I really wanted the jersey to be the main focus, so I kept the shorts and the socks white just to make that jersey pop and stand out even more. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you today. Let me know out of the 3 kits which one of the ones you like the best. Also, let me know some of the ideas that you have for these future Inter Miami, Miami Dolphins inspired third kits. If you have any other videos you'd like to see me do in the future, don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get it done. With that said, I'll see you at the next one.